वेलकम यू ऑल। देखो लास्ट क्लास में हम क्या कर रहे थे, सेट थ्योरी का इंट्रोडक्शन दिए थे एंड आई डिस्कस सम हाउ टू यूज वेन डायग्राम, व्हाट इज वेन डायग्राम एंड द लॉज ऑफ सेट अलजेब्रा, दैट इज डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ, एसोसिएटिव लॉ एंड एक्सेट्रा। नाउ yesterday I left with the proof of cardinality of three set. I have discussed the n of what will be n of A union B, that is NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So I have proved this one. Today I will prove this one with three union of three set. That is, we will prove what is n of A union B union C. Now, what is A union B union C? This is A, B, C. So, just look at the various sector. You will understand it will be required for solving many problems. If it is A, this is B and this is C. Now here how many parts are there? This part, orange shaded part, this part. This is what? This is only A. Similarly, this is what? Only B. No A, no C. This is what? Only C. This part is what? This part is what? A and B but not C. A, B but not C. Similarly, this is just a mistake. It is A and C, not B. Similarly, this is B and C, not A. This is A and C, B, not C. Okay, and the middle part is both all A, B, C and all. So suppose we have proof, what will be the answer? It is same as the previous one. Suppose B union C is equal to D, then it will be what? Is equal to n of A union D, and we know this, it will be n of A plus n of B plus A minus n of A intersection B. Now I know this n of A, I know this n of B, and I know A intersection D, but I know what is A intersection D. Let's simple it out. N of A intersection D means what? N of A intersection D is what? Actually B union C. Now yesterday I discussed the distributive law, that intersection distribute over intersection A union. So it will be n of A intersection B union A intersection C. A intersection B union A intersection C. Now this is one part, this is one part. Suppose in mind you assume it as xy, So x union n of x union y. Again it will be what? N of x, that means n of a intersection b, plus n of y, that is a intersection c, minus n of x intersection y, that is a intersection b intersection a intersection c y. So it will be what? N of a intersection b plus n of a intersection c minus, यहाँ पे देखो a intersection b है intersection a, so a intersection b, इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? a intersection b intersection a. अब देखो ये एक पार्ट है मान लो ये एक पार्ट है, तो यहाँ पे ये लिखने के लिए कौन सा लॉ यूज किया? कम्युटेटिव, दैट मींस a इंटरसेक्शन c इज इक्वल टू c इंटरसेक्शन a. अब क्या करेंगे? देखो कम्युटेटिव, सो assume this is one part and this is another part, so again we will use the commutative part. So this intersection this is equal to this intersection this, that means we will write a intersection b intersection c, write it here. So again assume it, this is one part and this is another part, so it will be what? So this will be the associative law, a intersection a intersection b intersection c. So this will be what? A intersection a means what? A, so that means a intersection b intersection c, so it will be what? A intersection b intersection c. Now we have got the n of a intersection d and is equal to what? This one. Now put it in the actual equation. So final result will be from here, n of a union b union c equal to what? N of a we know, n of b we know, minus of whole this thing, n of a intersection b minus n of a intersection c, and this here is minus, so it will be plus n of a intersection b intersection c. Sorry, this one was, sorry, I am very sorry, this one was n of d. So n of d is equal to what? N of d is equal to what? N of b union c. It means what? N of b plus n of c minus n of b intersection c from previous law. So put this nd here. This is nd. Put nd here. So final equation will be n of a plus n of d. N of d means what? N of b plus n of c. पहले इसको लिख लेते हैं तो कन्वेंशन मेंटेन रहेगा, n of a इंटरसेक्शन b माइनस n of a इंटरसेक्शन c. इसको लिख लिया, माइनस माइनस इसको लिख लेते हैं, फिर माइनस n of b इंटरसेक्शन c और प्लस n of a intersection b intersection c. So this is the final answer. So if I want to tell you the in graphical form, so n of a union b union c means इसके अंदर पूरा के अंदर क्या होगा? तो पहले करो n a करो ऐड, n b करो ऐड, n c करो ऐड, फिर माइनस करो क्या? n of a intersection b, that means this part what is common in a and b, माइनस करो n a intersection c means a और c में क्या कॉमन है? a पार्ट डिलीट करो, माइनस n ऑफ b इंटरसेक्शन c, ये पार्ट डिलीट करो, और बीच में ये कॉमन पार्ट तीनों में है, a इंटरसेक्शन b इंटरसेक्शन c, दैट मींस तीनों में जो कॉमन है उसको ऐड करो. तो ये है तुम्हारा सामने कुछ क्वेश्चन आ सकता है इससे. ओके, नाउ सॉल्व सम प्रॉब्लम. एग्जाम्पल किया हूं, वहां पे एक एग्जाम्पल करते हैं. There are 1000 students. There are 1000 students. Among them, 540 are Messi or Ronaldo fan. That means play football. 465 are Sachin fans. I born in Sachin era, so I written Sachin, not Virat. They play cricket, and 370 are fan of LeBron James, that is basketball. Michael Jordan maybe. So, and 325 play both football and cricket. 260 play both football plus basketball. 235 play cricket plus basketball. And 125 play both basketball, cricket, football. So, how many students are there? A. No play, no game. Play, no game. How many are there who play only one game? And how many are there who play only two games? So, let's solve it. We have what? This is total students, that is thousands. Among them, this is football, this is cricket, and this is basketball. So, total number of students included in this one, total, means what? At least they have at least one sports in their curriculum matter. So they play at least one sports. That means if we calculate n of A union B union C, we'll get what? We'll get the students, number of students who play at least one game. That is, so in using the previous formula, we'll write n of A what? That who play football, 40, plus n of B, that is cricket, 465, n of C, that is 370, minus n of A intersection B, that means football plus cricket, 325, minus A intersection C, that is 235, minus n of A B intersection C, that means 260, प्लस जो तीनों खेलते हैं 125. सो ये रिजल्टेंट कितना होगा देखो, माइनस 325, 525, 560, 620, 820, 680. So this is 680. 680 people are there who play any one of the football. At least one sport they play. So the here includes 680. So outside this region include what? They play no game. That means 1000 minus 680, that is 320. 320 people play no game. This is 320. How many people play only one games? That means what? 540 play football. Among them, so A में क्या आंसर हुआ? 320 people play no game. Now who play only one game, that means what? These students, so who play only footballs are the ones, if we subtract this one, and if we subtract this one from here, and we are subtracting this one from twice, so again add it up. So only play football means what? 540 is total football player minus football, cricket, basketball. F intersection C minus this one. Remove this one. F intersection C 325. Remove this one. So this is, we can delete in different way. So this one, and this one. Total is how much? N in A union B union C. And remove this part, the common part. So 1 is there, this one. 680 is total inside this group. 680 minus F intersection B means what? 260 minus 325. Similarly, 3 means F intersection C, and B intersection C means what? Minus 260. See, when we जब ये हम सब्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे थे तो ये जो कॉमन पार्ट, तीनों का कॉमन पार्ट है, एक बार सब्सट्रैक्ट हुआ यहाँ पे, एक बार यहाँ पे, एक बार यहाँ पे, तो एक बार ही वो सब्सट्रैक्ट होना था, लेकिन 2 बार एक्स्ट्रा सब्सट्रैक्ट हो गया, तो इसको हम 2 टाइम्स ऑफ जो तीनों का कॉमन है वो ऐड कर देंगे, 2 टाइम्स ऑफ, दैट मीन्स 250. सो दिस विल बी हाउ मच? 680 plus 250 is that 0. Two 325. It is 235. 820. So 110 people are there who lies here. Only one game. 110 people. Now, how many number who play? Only 2. Now, see here. Only 2 means what? We have to determine this part. That is, who are here, who are here, who are here, but not here. So, if we add this one, suppose this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, this is 4. So if we add this one 1, plus again we know this one, so add this one 2, we know this one, so add 3. But we have to, we have included this part 3 times, because here this part is there, this is also in there, this is there. So we have to remove it thrice, 3 into common all. Okay, so that means how much? जब हम ये ऐड किया, ये ऐड किया, ये ऐड किया, ये मिडिल वाला पोर्शन 3 बार एक्स्ट्रा एडिशन हो गया, वो एक्स्ट्रा को हम कंसिडर कर दो. तो ये क्या है? बोथ कॉमन इन फुटबॉल एंड क्रिकेट, दैट इज 325 प्लस 2 means what? Common in football and basketball, that is 260 plus CB 235 minus 3 into common, तीनों में कॉमन क्या है? 125. कैंसिल आउट करो. 325, 260, 235. इसका एडिशन क्या होगा? 820, and this is how much? 375. 5, 4, 4. So 44, 45 people are there who play only 2. So this is the problem. If you understood, ये अगर आप समझ जाते हो तो आपको all type of problem. 3-4 केस है. एक बार मैं समराइज कर देता हूं. This is the summary of what I teach you earlier. आपको जो पढ़ाया गया है उसका एक समरी कर देता हूं. So ये पार्ट क्या है? मान लो कि मैं वो स्पोर्ट्स वाला एग्जांपल ले रहा हूं. ये पार्ट क्या है? जो कोई नहीं खेलता, कुछ नहीं खेलता. ये लोग किसके बाहर है? और ये लोग टोटल जो लोग यहाँ पे किसी के अंदर में है, वो लोग क्या है, एटलीस्ट 1 प्ले करता है, उसके बाहर जो है वो कोई नहीं। एटलीस्ट 1 के बाहर क्या होगा, कोई नहीं है। यहाँ ओनली यहाँ पे क्या है, जो सिर्फ 2 खेलता है, जो यहाँ पे वो 3 गेम खेलता है, जो सिर्फ यहाँ पे वो 1 गेम खेलता है, जो यहाँ पे वो 1 और 2 बोथ खेलता है लेकिन 3 नहीं खेलता है, जो यहाँ पे है वो 1 और 2 बोथ खेलता है, दे प्ले बोथ बट दे डोंट प्ले 3, जो यहाँ पे वो बोथ प्ले 2 एंड 3 बट डोंट प्ले 1, जो यहाँ पे दे प्ले ऑल 1 2 एंड 3। सो ये क्या है, देखो हम तुम्हारे पास दिया होगा टोटल नंबर स्टूडेंट होगा, सब हो सकता है n ऑफ a b c, इसका पूरा दिया हो सकता है। कॉमन सब में क्या है ये दिया होगा, इसका a और b में क्या कॉमन है वो दिया हो सकता है, b और c में क्या कॉमन है, a और c में क्या कॉमन है, ये सब दिया हो सकता है। कुछ एक दिया नहीं रहेगा, वो ही निकालना होगा, ठीक है। तो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी वेल, एल्स यू विल comment in my Facebook page or please mail with your problem. I will try to solve those problems in another video. Okay, that's it friend. Have a nice day.